everyone, hope you stay well. João Dias, real estate consultant in center of Portugal, and today I'm in Paradante. Paradante is a small village, middle distance with Castelo Branco and Fundão. Okay, very small, in the middle of the nature. The village more near is São Vicente da Beira, and I have it that ruin, urban article, for rebuilding, 100% for rebuilding, okay, for Presentium. Hope you like it. Okay, that is the houses, okay. The houses start here. It's a different doors, different space, but the house start here, okay, and finished here, okay. You have 1, 2, 3 doors, that one flat more, and here another. Here I don't have the keys, sorry about that, but that, when I presented the video, it's all for rebuilding. Don't have nothing inside, only the wall, okay? Don't have nothing, only wall, and inside it's 100% with rebuilding. The same happen with that part. The good news is if you want to do a different space for Airbnb or living in that house, imagine, and rent another, it's nice because you have a different space. But it's only a ruin, okay? Need to rebuilding all. You have water company, okay? Electricity. I present you the different views for the ruins. Another door here, but is only the same ruin. I present first that, and first floor, and now the second, but it's not nothing. It's floor, nothing. It's roof, because all it's broken. And in the same article, for start here and finish there, stay included too that part, okay? That small part here, started and finished here, and that is not so bad. It's possible enter, security enter, but don't have nothing inside too. Only that beautiful bike, but at the same time that bike need works for right again, okay? In that case, you have cement in the roof for maintenance the wood. Don't happen 100% because it broke it a little there, but it's open space here, okay? But the same, you need to rebuilding all that inside because all is broken and it's old. Here the old broke it a little. That road, it's very characteristic road in Paradante. It's a little deep, okay? And the car coming here, if you want it, the van don't coming, forgot. That is the principal road. It's possible parking here for something, but it's public road, and that it's the principal road, okay? If you want, turn right and going there. For parking, more near is there. 100 meters, it's a big area, not big area or area, nice for parking the cars in the village, and 100 meters stay here, and after that you need only to going for your houses, okay? Of course, remember the car coming here if you need for works or anything you wanted. It's possible to park the car here, but I believe it's not possible to stay all your life here, okay? And that's it. Hope you like it. You know, I try to put all the information in the video and the description, but at the same time I have my contacts in the description. And if you have any question, please contact me, because it's a pleasure. Try to help. See you in the next video.